everyone, hope you all are well. In today's video we're going to talk all about lashes. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this in a few easy steps. Now I've previously done a video on lash application, but I'm deciding to update it because this is a new way for me to apply lashes. It's something I haven't seen before. It's really unique and bizarre at the same time and so easy to do. I received the Kiss Falscara starter kit in Pure recently, and it has everything that you need for false lash application. You get an applicator for optimal lash placement, and then you get the Falscara itself. So on one side then you have a bonding agent, and it just looks like a little black mascara wand, and the bonding agent is there to prep the lashes. Then on the other end you have a sealant, and the sealant then looks like a little white mascara wand, and the aim of this then is to lock the lashes in place for the day, and finally you get your set of individual lashes. Now I can't apply individual lashes normally, but this makes it a breeze. So what I'm doing first is taking the bonding side, and I'm just brushing a light layer of the bond to my natural lashes. You don't apply mascara first, that's really important. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Falscara applicator. I'm going to pick up a wispy lash from the tray. I start by picking a lash from the end of the tray. Application wise, we're going to start building up the lashes from outer to inner corner. And then you just want to carefully place down the wispy lash. And that is literally it. It is bizarre. The best way that I find to apply the bond is just to add it to the section that you'll be sticking the lash to and work in little sections across the lash line, opposed to just coating all of your lashes like you would with mascara. And this way you won't be under pressure then to get the lashes stuck down, and you won't have to worry about a section not being tacky anymore by the time that you get to it. One by one then, I'm just really carefully placing the wispy lash under the base of my natural lashes so that the lash adheres to the bond, and I'm making sure not to get too close to the waterline. Also when applying, just make sure to apply the lashes close together so that you've got no gaps, and this will ensure a seamless finish. What I really like is that you don't have to worry with these lashes about cutting them to fit the width of your eyes. As well, due to the nature of the individual lashes, you can customise your look. You can just apply a couple on the outer corner of the eye for a little lift, or you can build up all 5 across the lash line. And as well, there's no glue, so no mess. So once I'm happy enough, then I like to use my applicator to give the lashes a little squish to really fuse together my own lashes with the false ones. Once you're happy with the placement, then all you have to do is to apply the seal product to lock your lashes in for the day, and this also eliminates that tacky residue that the bond left behind. Now, I didn't brush away the excess product, so there's a little bit of white on the tips of the lashes, but that does dry in. But then that's it. So these are how the lashes look once they're all applied. I just think they look so natural. They look like lash extensions. They don't take long at all to apply. And I thought my eyes look strange without mascara because my lashes are kind of grey, but you can't really see that at all because the bonding agent is black. But yeah, they look great. The lashes themselves are very easy to remove. I just peeled them off here, but Kiss actually do a remover. Now, it's not necessary really. Any oil-based remover will do. I found it difficult to apply the wispy lash to the inner corner of my eye because my own lashes are quite sparse. That's my only downside to this product, the only one that I have. It did take me a couple of goes to do that, to apply to that area, and the bond had dried, so I had to remove and start again. So I just soaked a cotton bud and brushed through the lashes, and I was good to go. So I hope you found the tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, let me know, and I'll catch you soon.